Hello and welcome you all to Beat the Street. Today we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency. Today there is a news of Tesla that the Tesla buys 1.5 billion dollar in Bitcoin and plans to accept it as a payment. The biggest news coming in the cryptocurrency that the one of the biggest world car maker or automobile maker Tesla started buying Bitcoin, and the recent tweet activities of the Tesla owner Elon Musk started tweeting about the Dogecoin in the recent past. So it is creating a hype around the situation, and now we need to understand that what is going on. So if you are coming to first to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and start sharing the video so that or mother other people uh, know about that. That Tesla on the Monday announced that they have bought around the 1.5 billion dollar of amount of Bitcoin, and they said in the SEC, means Security Exchange Commission and the USA, that they will lead to more flexibility to further diversify and maximize return on our cash. This will uh, give them more flexibility and liquidity so that they can accept payment it and the Bitcoin used as a replacement of the cash, or you can say the bank, because they are using it as a medium of accepting the payment. So that will lead to further more companies will come into it, because the Elon Musk have more influence in the social media than any other person. And you can see that the recent tweet about the Dogecoin lead to increase in the value of the Dogecoin. It You can see that there is around 100 or more than 100% there is a gain in the Dogecoin, where we are talking about the Bitcoin. See, he recently tweeted about hashtag Bitcoin in his bio in the Twitter, and the Bitcoin rose around 20%. That will lead to a huge gain if he bought Bitcoins before that. So this will create a very big situation through the SEC. And if we talk about the SEC, they already have once penalized Tesla's owner Elon Musk, and also he lead this that will lead to his loss of his chairmanship. So that will create a very hefty situation. As we can see, the article said that the Tesla's move into Bitcoin represent an investment of a significant percentage of its cash in the investment. So it amounts to a very big percentage in the investment, and the company has more than $19 billion in cash and cash equivalent in the end of 2020. And as we can see, they have invested around 1.5 billion dollar, means around 20 to 25% they invested in around 25% they around 5% they invested in their cash and cash equivalent into the cryptocurrency. That will create a huge amount, and we can see that the acceptability is increasing at a very bigger level. And Elon Musk is a more influence in the social media as any other person, and now this will create a very big situations, as Tesla's shares are more than 2.5% pre-market trading, and the Bitcoin price also increased to $44,200. That will a huge gain, or also that will create and more acceptability of Bitcoin at a very much bigger places. So that will something which we need to understand, that how the Bitcoin is and the other cryptocurrencies are accepted in all over the world. And most notably, SEC charged Musk with the fraud in 2018 about his tweets around $440 per share. And also the Musk ultimately settled this case around paying $20 million and losing his chairmanship, as I told earlier, because the tweets are created in so much manner. He's tweeting about the Dogecoin is the crypto of the future of the earth. So that will create a very the mindset of the people are changing, because he has an influence of around 45 million Twitter subscribers, and he is creating so much nuisance tweets about the crypto, about the any other cryptocurrencies. And his tweets are like, you can see that. But the creation of the Bitcoin, you can see if the acceptance is accepted by the more companies, then it will create more value in the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin can sooner or later touch, as the Chamath said in the last video also, that he can expect that can also reach $1 lakh or 1.5 lakh. So there is a too much value inside in the you can see the uh, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. If we talk about on the world level, that the Elon Musk has more influence, and how he's treating about this thing are seriously thinkable. So if you are new to the video or new to the channel, just subscribe it and share the video so that more people can enjoy the video content. Thank you so much.